Welcome to Real Estate Ramblings with Robyn and Sean.
It's a truck. It's a truck. So today on Truck Talk, we're gonna go pick up local business owner Tom Smart. He's gonna tell us about what he does.
He is with Craftech Restoration.
So let's go pick Tom up in the truck and we'll talk to him.
Now we have Tom Smart from Craftech in the truck with us.
Hey,
Welcome, Tom.
Hey guys.
He's going to tell us a little bit about his business. So go ahead, Tom.
All right, hi guys. My name's Tom Smart and I own Craftech Restoration in Upton. We are a company that cleans up after fires and floods for homeowners and commercial businesses.
All right.
So construction inside your house, if you have an accident, an emergency, like what kind of stuff do you do?
Pretty much any disaster you'd have inside your house. If you have a kitchen sink that lets go and runs while you're at work, if you have a toilet that overflows overnight, if you have a hot water heater that lets go, floods your basement, a fire, we clean up fires. If you have a furnace that malfunctions and creates a soot loss in your home.
Ooh, like soot and mold?
Yep, we do mold as well.
Remediation.
Yeah, so we pretty much any peril that you would face inside your house, we will come in and clean, mitigate, dry out, and get ready to be reconstructed.
All right.
And now do you work a lot with the insurance companies? Obviously the homeowners kind of not to deal with a lot of that component of it,
We
right?
do. We're referred primarily by insurance adjusters, and we work with all the local carriers. If you were to have a claim, we would most likely know your adjuster by name and already have a
Right.
relationship with them.
Okay. So you guys are located right here in Upton?
Right in Upton on Walker Drive.
All right. So if somebody has a situation, obviously it's probably not going to happen in the middle of the day. They can reach out to you guys anytime. You're going to give us your contact information, and they're going to reach out to you, and you're going to have a team of people come on out.
Correct.
Seeing your facility, it's pretty impressive. You have all the equipment there, and you're going to reach out and help those homeowners get in touch.
Yep, usually it's same day service. We show up ready to work, and when we walk out, the house is set up to dry, or we've at least made the next steps to get it clean and get it ready to be put back together.
And if I could ask you to shift over for just a second, I want you to look in the rearview mirror because right behind us, oddly enough, is a Craftech vehicle coming back from a hard day work and taking care of someone else's house. So
Definitely
look at
not
that.
planned.
That
guys
is
are
perfect.
a good sized company, lots of crews to help lots of clients, correct?
Correct, yep. So
Excellent.
if you ever need us, our number is 1-800-750-2494.
Awesome.
Great. Thanks so much for jumping in the truck. We
Tom, appreciate it.
Thanks for not killing me.
Never. Well, again, you guys have any situations at the house require an emergency? Craftech's the company you want to call.
Bye now.